Welcome back to the Heap Art Origami Show. Today we're going to fold this clam-shaped pencil box designed by me, Wilson Lee. There's no glue or tape, so it's purely origami. Let's begin. First, we're going to fold 16 equal sections along the short edge of the paper. These fold needs to be as accurate as possible in order to have a perfect fit. We have 4, divide again. Eight, one more time. Now we have 16 sections of equal size. We want to make 4 of them on the left and the right side of the paper. How we're going to do that? We're going to count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fold this corner, this edge, to this line here. Same thing on this side, so we have a reference on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. With that, we're going to fold this flap backwards from this corner to this corner. Unfold it all, Now we're going to divide this section into 4. I'm just going to rotate the paper a bit. Right. We have 2. One more time for 4. So just hold it up and fold it like this. And now we're going to fold this edge to here one more time. Unfold it, and we have our 4 sections here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay? I'm just going to hold the paper like this. It'll be easier to see. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. Flip it over. Fold it from that corner to this corner. Once you have that sectioned, make sure it's straight. We're going to have to divide this into 4 pieces. So fold up once. Fold this down. And now turn it over. I'm going to fold this to this line here. Unfold it, and we have our 4 sections. With all the pre-crease done, we're going to start folding the pencil box. See this? You want the paper to be curving towards you. We're going to fold this corner 45 degrees to this point here. When you count, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. With this, we're going to turn the piece of paper over. Right now, from this corner that we put our point to, we're going to fold it 45 degrees again from this point to here. So just try to align this line with the 3rd line from the side. And we're going to only fold on the side that's next to the edge, next to the side. Does that make sense? Same thing here. Turn over. We're going to fold this inwards. This should naturally prop up. Same thing here. We're reinforce this line. We're going to roll this up from here to here. So fold on the pre-crease that you just made and fold it twice. Roll this all the way up to the edge here. And now we pull it inwards, and this is the top of our pencil box. We're going to lock it by rolling this up, folding it twice. 1, 2. Same thing on this side. 1, 2. You'll notice that all the folds are on the pre-crease that we made earlier. Now, want to reinforce this crease here because it's where the back of our pencil box is, or the hinge of our pencil box. And the same thing for the one down here. So you count 1 from here. If you count the sections, it's 1, 2, 3. That's going to be our cap. Then afterwards, it's our hinge. And then one more. If you look from the side, you'll see that these two are the ones that I'm folding. Alright, with that, we're going to start folding the base of our pencil box. Here, we're going to open this up and do a squash on the hinge here. You see that there's a nice triangle forming there. Keep your thumb on this line here to prevent it from unraveling. Once it's nice and accurate, you press it down. It looks like this from the side. With that, you want to reverse fold this section all the way down. And this will lock our hinge together. You see it? Here. If you unfold it, it looks like this. Press it inwards and reverse fold the entire thing. We're going to repeat this same step on the other side. So put your thumb here, open it up, and squash it together like that. One more time. Open it up, squash it together, and with that we're going to reverse fold this entire flap inwards. And that would give us our hinge. Use your nails, poke here to fold it a little bit so that you can close it afterwards. Same thing on the other side. Alright. So, as you can see, our pencil box is half done. Now the question is, how do we close this part up? Oh. Okay. Just fix that a little bit. How do we close this part up? So, if you look at the top, our pencil box is going to be 3 sections wide. Our bottom is going to be 3 sections wide in order to match it, right? So, count 1, 2, 3, and fold this dent here for our pencil box edge, and same here. Flip it over. Where this mark is, we're going to fold this flap inwards 90 degrees and make a 45-degree fold from here to the bottom. You can use the pre-crease here as a reference. Just pull this down a bit and make sure this edge matches the line. Once you have it aligned, just reinforce the 45-degree fold. You might need to fix it a bit. Same thing on the other side. Fold this backwards a bit and match this edge to this line here. This fold should be 45 degrees. Swipe it clean. And we have a flap here that we can fold up. Our box is almost done. We need to roll this up together. To do that, we're just going to fold this to the line here. Fold along the pre-crease that you made earlier, the 16 sections. And then same thing for the ones here. You want to reinforce it. One down and another one to go. So you reinforce those 2 lines. Of this section, you wrap this around these and tuck it underneath. So simply like this, hold them together, wrap it around, and this extra flap, lift these 2 sections and tuck it under. It will take some fiddling to get done. Tuck it under, fix it again, and the pencil box is almost done. It's done now. The hinges, and you can close it like a clam. How well it closes together depends on how accurate your pre-creases are. You can put some pencils in there. And close it up. It's still really loose because it's made of paper, but you could use an elastic band to hold it together. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please help me out by smashing that like button. Thank you very much and see you next time.